Camping advice to make your next journey great. There are 3 common types of camping: tent, RV and cabin rental. Each of these types of camping can be great fun. No matter the type of camping trip you plan to take, you need to prepare for just about anything. Read the guide below to learn how to make your camping trip as enjoyable as it can possibly be. While you may count on Mother Nature to have plenty of wood to stoke your campfire, you may encounter only wet wood that won't burn. As an added precaution, bring along wood from around your yard or logs from a home store, and keep them where they will stay dry. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. Anytime you buy a tent, be sure to practice setting it up and taking it down in your backyard prior to actually camping. This helps you learn to put up your tent and make sure there aren't missing pieces. Also, this can help to reduce the difficulty that you have when out in the wilderness. This guide can help a camper of any level find new ways to prepare for their camping trip. Use it as you plan your next excursion and you are sure to have the time of your life. Plan, prepare and enjoy your very next camping trip this coming camping season. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.